Greetings! Today's video is going to be all about creating a fantastic Zentangle masterpiece. Buckle up, because we're going to take you on a creative journey, teaching you how to draw this stunning piece step by step. But before we dive into the main event, let's start with the basics. We'll begin by taking a closer look at a simplified version of the Zentangle and guide you through how to easily make it. To make things easier to understand, I've split this into 6 sections. Our first step involves drawing a 9x9 graph. Simply follow the lines as demonstrated in the video to complete the basic skeleton shape. My recommendation would be to start by tracing the shape with pencil, which will allow you to correct any errors easily. Once you are happy with your pencil traces, retrace those lines using a black pen. It's time to use eraser to erase your graph and all pencil traces. Make your skeleton shape look bold by tracing it using a Think Tip sketch pen. Great job! We have successfully completed shaping the skeleton. Now, let's proceed to the next step and create some tangles. For this, I recommend using a Uni Pin fine line 0.2mm pen as shown in the example. However, feel free to adjust the tip thickness according to your needs. We will move on to drawing spirals, just like the ones you saw in the video. For this step, I suggest using a Uni Pin fine line 0.05mm pen. However, please feel free to modify the tip thickness as per your needs. Can you guess the amount of time it took me to draw these intricate spirals? Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Now, it's time to sketch the parabolic shapes and create a flower-like design within them, as demonstrated in the video. As illustrated, please fill the space between the flower and parabolic structure with black ink and then use straight lines to fill the remaining white space. To create a more intricate design, try drawing these lines as closely together as possible. Now I am going to show you how I applied this tangled design to my skeleton shape. I traced some parts of the design with a pencil to ensure I could correct any errors before using a pen and then followed the pattern that I have explained earlier. It took me approximately 3 hours to complete the design on my skeleton shape. If you decide to try this out, I'd love to hear how long it takes you to complete this. To create a 3D tangled effect for your pattern, it's time to use a pencil and blending stump. In this drawing, I've utilized an 8B pencil, but feel free to use any pencil that you have available. If you prefer, you could also use charcoal. Follow the step-by-step tutorial and shade the areas as demonstrated to give your design an immersive 3D effect. And that's it. There you have your own Zentangle pattern that's perfect for framing and displaying on your wall. I would really appreciate if you could try this and share your outcome with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly think about subscribing and sharing it with someone who would love to try it too. Thank you for watching and take care.